What's good, crypto? I'm your host, Marvin, here to bring you a daily scoop on everything that's going on in crypto. Monday through Friday, we come here to educate ourselves when it comes to making life-changing wealth. None of this is financial advice, just my opinion, and all pure entertainment. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter to connect with me. A lot of the things that I share here, you'll see on Twitter first. So if you want to get a good rundown before the show starts, and if you just want to interact with me, I'm on Instagram and Twitter at Media by Marvin. Let's talk about what's going on in the news. Let's talk about the market and some things to keep an eye on. Man, first off, we are in extreme fear on the crypto fear and greed index. We were yesterday at 25, and then we buckled on down to 24. And when there's extreme fear, that is when it is likely a good opportunity to buy. You want to buy fear. You want to buy when people are freaking out. There's a lot of good deals, a lot of good buys to be had. So if you are in the market right now, it's not a bad time to start stacking some coins. Woo! Looking at today's price right now, we're at 41,225, forming on the daily this inverted hammer, or people like to call it a mallet. This is typically a bearish sign, or a bullish, sign, or a bullish candlestick formation. Basically, the bears have been trying to push down on it all day, and the bulls are saying no, sir. And we can actually see that we're developing higher lows. But still, we're holding 40,000, considering that September is a really, really bad month in general. And we're going to look at some interesting charts and things that people are saying. But historically, September is a bad month for Bitcoin, period. And, you know, with the Evergrande FUD, with the SEC, with China banning crypto and Bitcoin again, Bitcoin has been able to hold the $40,000 mark. And this is looking a lot similar to what we had play out over the summer, where we were just kind of in this downtrend. And downtrends typically break out bullish. So we'll keep an eye out on what's going on. In terms of the overall market right now, we're at 1.8 trillion, 1.83 trillion. Ethereum is at 2,826, not a bad buy. We got Binance Coin with a solid pump up almost 9% today at $360. Cardano just a little bit over $2. XRP at 92 cents. Solana at 133. Polkadot at 27. That's not bad if you're looking to buy. It's 13% down on the week. Dogecoin just under 20 cents. Dogecoin has been doing poo-poo. Uniswap at 23, not bad. Avalanche is actually being listed on Coinbase Pro, which you can do deposits now, I believe. But you should be able to buy tomorrow on Coinbase Pro. So I wouldn't be surprised if Avalanche has a major run. Gonna probably get into the number 10 spot, not that far away. It's at 14 billion market cap. It needs about 10 million or 10 billion more to overthrow Dogecoin. Chainlink at $22. So there's a lot of deals. You know, it's not a totally red day. It's definitely not a green day for sure. There are some good movers. Didex up almost 20% on the day. OMG up 12%. Axie Infinity up 10%. Zilliqa up almost 10% as well. A lot of big movers, or not big movers. There's some really good movers like Didex. That it's a lot of the decentralized exchanges or DEXs are doing very, very well with the China ban. A lot of people want to continue to use crypto, so they're going to decentralized exchanges. Other than that, there's more. Everything is kind of like stagnant, up 1%. Not a lot going on. It's a very quiet, very boring day. Chili's under 25 cents. That's a good pickup. But other than that, there's a lot of red. Let's see what is on the top 100, the most red. Uniswap down 5%. I mean, Sushi Swap is down about 4%. Again, it's just a mixed bag. Not a lot of really good deals. I mean, on the month, you know, Cardano down 30% basically. So if you're looking to get into some of that, Decentraland down 35% on the month, which is crazy. Not a lot of big movers right now. Well, let's talk about Bitcoin. So this news article was actually shared on Bitcoin. Bitcoin price loses 42K after fresh rejection, puts focus on worst case Bitcoin monthly close. Bitcoin's run out of steam at 44,000. Data from Cointelegraph Markets Pro shows reaching lows of 41,670 on Bitstamp. The fall followed a $1,000 hourly loss late Monday, which firmly halted any bullish hopes of weekend's high of 44,000. So as we can see, Bitcoin has been going down, and a lot of people are worried and frantic. But trader, this is a wise to bet on Q4, so October, November, December, and those have been the months we've been talking about, people. He is not alone, with an increasing number of market participants firmly convinced that Q4 will turn around time for the Bitcoin bull run. Popular trader TechDev, who argues the historical precedent alone demands credence be given to fresh Bitcoin price surge. Investing is a game of probability. Showing in a chart from 2013, or comparing 2013 and 2021, when history has proven prophetic for the first 3 quarters, which it has. I think it's wise to bet on the fourth. And here we can actually see that last year and this year, so last year we had a red October, or excuse me, back in 2013 we had a red October. This year, red September. Then we had 6 green months. So this was actually, the red September was last September. And then this show in 2013's red October with huge run up, which 2013 and 2021 had. And then in Q2, we see a correction in 2013 and in 2021, following a July hammer, which happened both in 2013 and 2021. August with a good follow through, which we had this year, and in 2013, a red September with a shorter body, which has been shown in the last in 2013 and 2021. And then in 2013 we saw a huge run up, and this shows the stock RSI well under 20, and right now we also have the stock RSI above 20, so not that much of a difference. So I think we are starting to see Bitcoin starting to shape up for a fantastic quarter 4. I in my opinion, that's why I'm stacking as many stats. And just to show you and emphasize this, I have a chart here that shows, the yearly averages in terms of how Bitcoin has performed. And just to compare 2021 to the bull market of 2017 and 2013, we traditionally have a red September. Red September is very, very normal. Kind of doing an average of all the months before. August is normally kind of a meh month with a low average of a 24% increase, but September is the only one with a red average. So September traditionally is very, very red. And in the bull markets of 2017, when we get a red September, we typically see some very good follow through. With in 2017, we had an increase of 47% in October, 54% in November, and almost 40% in December. In 2013, it was actually not a red September. It increased by about 0.5%, but then we saw in October 48% increase, November 470, and then red December because of the major run up that we had in November back in 2013. So could we be seeing a huge run up coming up in October and November? We will see. But I think myself and many other on-chain analysts and TAs are looking forward to October, November, December, because there could be a lot of bullish news. And what could bring bullish news? Plan B just tweeted this not too long ago. What will trigger the next leg of the Bitcoin bull run? An ETF approval from the SEC, more nation adoption next to El Salvador, Lightning Network strike surprise with Jack Mallers, so another surprise from Twitter or Jack, see what he's doing. Apple, Amazon, Google, or Microsoft adoption. We have Q3 earnings calls coming up soon, so I know a lot of people look forward to those. It's typically letdowns, but who knows? The summer would have been a great opportunity for a lot of these companies to buy some Bitcoin. RSK killer use case on Blockstream. Next, Michael Saylor or Paul Tudor Jones, so a next person who really steps up to buy more Bitcoin. A China U-turn, unlikely, or maybe an Elon Musk tweet. So Tesla accepting Bitcoin and accepting Doge, who knows? Or just more adoption from companies. There's a lot of things to look forward to. I think we're going to have a really good quarter 4. I know it looks tough. I know it looks bad right now. It doesn't look great. But just keep in mind, September is traditionally a rough month. stay strong, continue to buy the dip like myself, and just remember, Bitcoin is holding $40,000. 40,000 is the new 30,000. Remember over the summer when Bitcoin was hovering over 29, 30, 33, we're celebrating when Bitcoin got to like 33K, 34K. And then it dipped down to 29 and it blasted off. 40K is the new threshold. We're holding 40K right now. And if we do lose 40K, we might get down to 37K. That has been a huge area point where we've bounced off, seen resistance, and we've touched it several times. And a lot of people, including myself, are excited to buy more Bitcoin at 37, 38K. That could happen, but Bitcoin tends to surprise us, and who knows, maybe Bitcoin will break out of this descendant channel, but we have yet to see that. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.